Now, an inside look of the life of Derp Dog. As you can see, a Derp Dog can see us, but will not harm us. It is not vile. Actually, it's pretty nice. You will follow the Derp Dog for about a certain amount of days. Now, this is the first episode. You must move quiet. You can sense our moving. See? It's going on. You can sense us. Let's go after it. It might be protecting its home. That's a magnificent creature. There's only one in the world, and this is it. Derp Dog. It protects his derp garden, which is very, very protected. The Derp Dog wants shade. Finds a perfect home. Let's take a closer look. Look at the Derp Dog. It's coming toward us. Run! It's trapped us. Run! The Derp Dog can hurt us. We have to jump. It is going to be a long way. Oh, never mind. The dog has backed off. We can now carefully get off the ledge. Look at the Derp Dog play. It's coming towards us. How wonderful. Derp Dog has his toy. Right now we are hidden. The Derp Dog cannot see us or smell us. Let's follow this Derp Dog. Derp Dog? He teleported. We have found a bone on the floor to entertain this Derp Dog. Look how it is moving towards it. Sort of. Derp Dog is following the bone that we have set for a trap. Let us stand back a few miles from this Derp Dog. Look at the little Derp Dog. We will call it with the Derp Dog sound. Woo! 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 Derp. 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 Derp Dog does not seem interested in our call, for it knows it is its only species alive. Derp Dog can sense us. We better walk back very quietly. This ends this episode of The Life of a Derp. Please chat back another time, for we will try to get as soon as possible to Derp Dog. Next episode, we try to find the reasonings of Derp Dog. Subscribe, like, and fave. Derp Dog doesn't like bad comments. So, bye.